Did some medieval doctors secretly perform brain surgery? Welcome back to Ceylonia Blue. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat mysterious topic. Did some medieval doctors secretly perform brain surgery? The idea of brain surgery in the medieval period might seem far-fetched, considering the lack of modern medical knowledge and technology. However, recent discoveries suggest that some practitioners may have ventured into this complex field. Let's explore this intriguing aspect of medieval medicine. First, let's set the stage. The medieval period, often referred to as the Middle Ages, spanned roughly from the 5th to the 15th century. During this time, medical knowledge was limited, and many illnesses were attributed to supernatural causes or imbalances in the body's humors. The practice of medicine was often a mix of herbal remedies, spiritual healing, and rudimentary surgical procedures. Despite these limitations, there were individuals who were not afraid to push the boundaries of medical practice. One of the most remarkable forms of surgery that emerged during this time was trepanation. This procedure involved drilling or scraping a hole into the skull. Although the primary purpose was often to treat head injuries or relieve pressure from swelling, some believe it may have also been used to treat mental illnesses. Archaeological findings have revealed evidence of trepanation in various cultures around the world, including medieval Europe. Skulls with trepanation holes have been discovered, some showing signs of healing, indicating that patients survived the procedure. This leads to the question, were medieval doctors skilled enough to perform such intricate surgeries? While records from the medieval period are scarce, there are texts that suggest a certain level of surgical knowledge. For instance, the works of Avicenna, a Persian polymath, were translated into Latin and widely studied in medieval Europe. His writings included detailed descriptions of surgical techniques, including those related to the head. Additionally, there were medical practitioners known as barber surgeons who performed various surgical procedures. These individuals operated at the intersection of medicine and grooming, often providing services like bloodletting, tooth extraction, and, intriguingly, surgery. Some barber surgeons may have had the skills necessary to perform brain surgery, albeit rudimentarily. However, it's important to note that the concept of brain surgery as we understand it today was not fully developed. The medieval understanding of the brain was limited, and many practitioners may not have recognized the significance of the brain in relation to overall health. This lack of understanding could lead to both risky and ineffective procedures. Furthermore, the practice of medicine during this time was often shrouded in secrecy. Medical knowledge was not always shared freely, and practitioners often kept their techniques to themselves. This secrecy might explain why some of these early surgical practices were not widely documented or recognized. As we explore this topic, it's crucial to acknowledge the advancements in medical science that have occurred since the medieval period. While the idea of brain surgery may have been in its infancy during these times, it laid the groundwork for the sophisticated neurosurgery we have today. The courage of those early practitioners to explore the unknown helped pave the way for future generations. So, did some medieval doctors secretly perform brain surgery? While we may never fully know the extent of their practices, the evidence suggests that they were willing to explore the complexities of the human body, even if their methods were rudimentary by today's standards. Thank you for joining us on this journey through medieval medicine. If you found this topic as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Ceylonia Blue for more intriguing content about history and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the past.